Do you do this habit? If you do, throw the toothpick and the habit right away. I'll tell you why. What are the problems that you are going to face because of this habit? Point number one, you will definitely tear your gums because of a toothpick. Once you tear your gums, there is a very high chance you're going to develop a huge abscess or an infection in that particular region. Point number two, the more you try to wedge the toothpick in between your tooth, you're creating a huge gap there, which in turn is going to cause a lot of food to be accumulated there, and that in turn is going to cause a huge cavity. Point number three, there is a very good chance that you will break the tip of the toothpick, and that is going to get stuck in your gums, and that's going to create a huge headache for you. There are even some cases where patients have swallowed the toothpick tip and result in choking as well. This is a serious issue. It's a simple habit but may lead to serious issues. Point number four, if you already have a crown or a filling that is already done, the minute you put a toothpick and start wedging in, you are going to dislodge the crown or the filling. So what you should do to avoid this habit? First, if you have food deposition, try to see if there is a cavity that is causing the food deposition. Meet your dentist and sort that issue out. Or if there are some gaps that are naturally created because of aging, you are not able to maintain those areas, there are better alternatives. Alternative number one, there is something called as an interdental toothbrush. These are small, very small bristles that can go in between your teeth and clean that food. Alternate number two is a floss. That's one of the best ways to do it. You use a floss and try to clean those interdental areas. Point number three, you also have something called as a water floss available these days. You can use that to clear out these areas. Instead of all of these measures, do not use a toothpick. So the next time you go to a hotel, they try to give you a box of toothpick on the table with your bill. Please throw them away. Do not take it.